money on Etsy with Canva involves using the graphic design platform to create and sell digital products. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create digital products. With Canva, you can design various products such as printables, planners, invitations, business cards, social media templates, art prints, and more. Canva provides an easy-to-use platform with pre-made templates that you can customize to create unique items. Focus on niches like wedding invitations, motivational posters, or home organization templates that are in demand on Etsy. Set up your Etsy shop. Create a seller account on Etsy and set up a shop with a clear name and branding. Upload high-quality photos of your designs and write detailed descriptions, highlighting the benefits of your products. Upload and sell digital files. Once your products are ready, upload them to Etsy as digital downloads. When customers purchase, they can instantly download the files and you don't have to deal with physical inventory or shipping. Set competitive prices based on your target market and the value of the designs. Marketing and promotion. Promote your products via social media, Pinterest, or Etsy ads to drive traffic to your store. Use Canva to create eye-catching promotional graphics to share.